Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll open Messages and get ready to send your first message now. Start by tapping Messages or swiping down and typing Messages in Spotlight, then open it. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is on because iMessage requires internet. If you don't have service, regular SMS still sends. If you aren't signed in, go to Settings then Messages and sign in with your Apple ID. Once done, your conversations sync and you can compose immediately. You'll compose and enhance messages with features that make conversations efficient. Tap the new message icon, add a contact or type a number or email, then write your text. Tap the blue bubble for iMessage or green for SMS to send. Use the app drawer for photos, Memoji, or Apple Pay. Once sent, long press a bubble for reactions, copy, translate, or to start a threaded reply. Make sure to enable notifications so you don't miss responses. You'll finish by organizing threads and handling common issues quickly. Pin important conversations by swiping right and tap the pin. Swipe left to delete or mute threads. To keep messages consistent across devices, enable Messages in iCloud from Settings and turn on text message forwarding for your Mac or iPad. If a message fails or iMessage shows waiting, toggle iMessage off and on, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.